Hey, fun stuff in the shop today. Drew's out here running parts, put a brand new 1/2-inch compression bit in from Frost Tooling. Really like them, they do a great job, but after the first sheet it was cutting funny. Let me show you what we got. So you can see it was cutting nice and smooth top and bottom, but it's leaving this ridge right in the middle of the cut. Not sure what's causing that. Oh, maybe it's that. Not sure what that is. Just a little light piece of sheet metal or something in that made it through the quality control and the particle board. And when it hit the carbide on the edge, wiped it out. Yeah, brand new bit. I hate it when that happens. These are a pretty cool tool holder that we switched over to recently that we got from Nick at Frost Tooling, and it is the Hydro Collet, but is what really makes it nice. Supposedly it lasts forever and really improves your quality. Is what I like about it is changing it right here. This is just a little torque wrench. You put that torque wrench in and tighten the screw, and then it just goes click here at the end, and you are done, and the tool is ready to put in. No torque wrench, no, putting it in a thing and having to torque it to 125 pounds. It's literally wrist tight with your hand, and it's ready to go.